if I could go back and give my younger self just one piece of advice, what would it be? Never give up. If I could give anyone just one piece of advice, what would it be? Never give up. It is so sad to see so many people give up on the life they want to live just because of they need to fit in. Fit in with parents, fit in with friends, fit in with society. Too afraid to dream of how great life can be, because life and others have offered plenty of examples of what could go wrong. Plenty of examples of how her life is, how much of a struggle life is. Well, I don't buy that. I believe everyone is capable of creating the life they want. I refuse to believe we're stuck. I refuse to believe in limitations. We're capable of anything, only if we believe that. Because with belief comes action. With belief comes possibility. With belief, we are open to the opportunities. When we refuse to give up on our dream, when we seek to find the example of those who have achieved the lives they want, when we work to learn how we can make a step forward every day, when we are open to learn more, when we are willing to work for it, when we trust our intuition and follow our heart, when we have the courage to trust the universe and reach for the sky, well, then anything is possible. If you believe it, you can achieve it. If you can dream it, there's no doubt you can believe in yourself. Shakespeare said, our doubts are traitors and make us look the good. We have to mind the win by fearing to attempt. See, most people feel failure so much they don't even try. Therefore they fail by default. Achieving anything significant in life will never be easy. But the only way you can guarantee is not achieving anything is if you never try in the first place. You do not know what's going to happen in the future. Anything can happen. If you believe in yourself and willing to learn how to make it happen, it might happen right away. It might take longer than expected. But if you're committed and maintain belief that in the end you will achieve your desired outcome, you will achieve your desired outcome. Never give up. Never, ever give up. Thank you.